Hey, how are you doing, guys? I got this in my last video. I only had 3 Nerfins that I showed, but this one, and now I just got a new one that I really want. I'm gonna show. I want to show you guys. See, it sometimes it shoots out smoke. It's really cool. Every once in a while, with batteries in it, it shoots out smoke, but it only shoots out smoke if you have batteries. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It just shoots wood. And see, look in here. Sorry, guys. Look. See the bullets in there. And then there's a 2, and right here there's 2 bullets that can fit in this. See, 2 bullets can fit in that. And well, here, I'll show you how it looks now. See, it's decent. It's not bad. And see, this comes. 2 of these come with it, but I lost one. And it can shoot pretty much any bullet, but it can't shoot Mega. It can shoot Elite, the sticky bullets, Buzzbee. Get your Air Warrior. Well, this gun is Buzzbee and Air Warrior. I don't know how it is. Okay, I'm gonna go load the bullet. And I'll fire it again. So you can see it. So what you do is you just cock it open like this, and then you stick it in, and then you click it, and wait for it to click. If it clicks, that's good. And you want to pull it down as far as you can to make sure that shoots. See? You see that? Yeah, it landed my trash can somewhere. Okay. So, guys. Okay, so guys. Oh no! What? Oh my gosh. That's what's happening. Look what happened. It lost the. See, it lost that and that. It lost the one bullet, but it lost the top piece to it. I mean, I don't think it could work, but I'm gonna get a new bullet. I'm gonna have to pause the video for a second. Okay, guys, sorry about that. So I am gonna have a Nerf force by the end of it. I'm gonna have a Nerf one with my brother in like about 10 minutes. Yeah, and I'm probably gonna beat him because he's only 6 years old. He's about 7. So, okay, let's just get going. I'll start back in a bit.